Hello everyone, I just want to share that I have cleared my CA Intermediate both group. I have purchased my CA Intermediate lectures from the Grooming Education Academy. I would like to again thank you sir for providing a valuable course. The main thing that I learned from this course, you have to give the test series continuously. Without giving test series, it is not possible at all to clear the CA Intermediate exam. So I think there are many students fail in this exam. Why? They are not able to grasp that amount of knowledge that is required for giving the exam. So I think it is better for one to go for the test series, and according to me, the day-wise test series and the chapter-wise test series is required for a CA Intermediate student to clear that particular exam. So I think Grooming Education Academy best for a CA Intermediate student, because if you have any doubt, they have support forum for the student discussion, as well as if you have any doubt, then they have a particular email ID. You can ask questions related to your queries, your everything, and you will get your answer within an hour. I said, remember my word, within an hour. So I'm very happy with this service provided by Chandan Poddar sir, CEO of Grooming Education Academy, and I would like to recommend all of you to go for the course and to purchase that course, because you are getting this amount of course at this level of price, means you are getting this on a reasonable price. And my sister, she is also pursuing CA foundation. I have also suggested her to purchase that particular course. She has purchased, I think, CA foundation test series and CA foundation course also. According to me, the main motto of the CA Intermediate student should be giving test. Without test, nothing is going to be the best. Chandan Poddar sir, thank you, team of Chandan Poddar sir, for giving such an opportunity. And I have cleared with the blessings of Khatu Shyam Baba and the blessings of Ma Saraswati and with the blessings of my teacher, Grooming Education Academy. And thank you sir for providing such a valuable course.